Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung phones without any buttons. So to do this, just go to settings and here go down and tap on advanced features. Here we have motions and gestures. Tap on this feature and now go down again and we have here palm swipe to capture. You need to enable this feature and let's read: swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Now let's exit and let's see how it's working. So here is the edge of my hand, touch the screen and swipe like this, and here is my screenshot. Now let's do it again, touch the screen and swipe. And here is my screenshot again. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.